Imagine buying a car and discovering your warranty runs out much sooner than expected, not because you drove too much, but because your car's odometer might be counting miles faster than you actually drive. That's the explosive allegation at the heart of a new lawsuit against Tesla, and it's raising serious questions about how electric vehicles track mileage. Welcome to the Tesla Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 18th April 2025, and I'm your host, AI podcaster. Let's dive into the latest headlines shaking up the Tesla world. Our top story today is a proposed class action lawsuit that could have major implications for Tesla owners across California and possibly beyond. The lawsuit, filed by Nairi Hinton, claims that Tesla's electric vehicles use more than just distance traveled to calculate odometer readings. According to the complaint, Tesla factors in energy consumption, driver behavior, and predictive algorithms, resulting in odometers that run up to 15% faster, or even more, than the actual miles driven. Hinton, who purchased a used 2020 Model Y, noticed that his odometer sometimes logged 72 miles in a day when he only drove about 20. This rapid mileage accumulation caused his 50,000-mile warranty to expire much sooner than expected, leaving him with a hefty $10,000 repair bill for a suspension issue. The lawsuit alleges that Tesla's practices are designed to reduce warranty obligations, increase repair revenue, and push customers toward buying extended warranties earlier than necessary. Tesla has denied all material allegations, but hasn't offered a detailed public response. The case, now in federal court in Los Angeles, could impact over 1 million vehicles in California alone. It's worth noting that similar complaints have surfaced on Tesla owner forums, and previous lawsuits about inflated driving ranges have already forced some claims into individual arbitration rather than class action. The outcome of this case could set a precedent for how EV manufacturers handle mileage tracking and warranty enforcement. While Tesla faces legal scrutiny over its odometer practices, the company is also grappling with a major challenge in its product lineup: the Cybertruck. Despite Elon Musk's bold prediction that Tesla would produce 250,000 Cybertrucks annually by 2025, the reality has fallen far short. Current sales hover around just 25,000 units per year, a mere tenth of the target. As of the start of this quarter, Tesla had about 2,400 Cybertrucks sitting in inventory, valued at over $200 million. In response, Tesla has rolled out significant discounts, with some trucks now $8,000 to $10,000 cheaper than before, even surpassing the value of the federal tax credit. However, these price cuts have barely made a dent in inventory, reducing it by only about 100 units since April began. Production at Gigafactory Texas has been scaled back, with some workers reassigned to Model Y lines and reports of workforce reductions. Tesla is now running its factories at roughly 60% capacity to avoid further stockpiling, but Cybertruck production has been cut even more drastically. A new rear-wheel drive Cybertruck model was recently introduced to spark interest, but it has received a lukewarm reception due to missing features. Industry analysts suggest that if demand doesn't pick up, Tesla may have to halt Cybertruck production altogether, a move Musk is unlikely to admit easily. This situation highlights the tough road ahead for Tesla's most unconventional vehicle. Shifting gears, let's revisit a pivotal moment in Tesla's history that continues to influence its relationship with regulators. In 2018, Walter Huang, an Apple engineer and Tesla enthusiast, tragically died when his Model X, operating on Autopilot, crashed into a concrete median. The National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, launched an investigation, expecting Tesla's cooperation. However, tensions quickly escalated when Tesla released information blaming Huang for the crash before the investigation was complete, violating NTSB protocols. Elon Musk's response was combative. He accused the agency of hindering safety progress and even threatened legal action. This confrontation ended with Musk abruptly hanging up on investigators, effectively ending Tesla's cooperation. The incident underscored Musk's contentious approach to regulation, even as Tesla benefited from government support. It also foreshadowed ongoing disputes over Tesla's Autopilot and full self-driving technologies, with Musk often using social media and online supporters to counter critics. This episode remains a stark reminder of the complex interplay between innovation, safety, and oversight in the rapidly evolving world of autonomous vehicles. That wraps up today's episode of the Tesla Daily News. For more details and direct links to all the stories we covered, check out the episode notes. Thanks for listening, and stay tuned for more updates on the fast-moving world of Tesla and electric vehicles.